I gave you my heart.
Well, we're sitting here enjoying this hot day. About to went out and did my grocery shopping for today. I had Wednesday and Saturday with the GCQ. You can see we have lots of stockpile supplies. There's a cabinet full over there. We got bags of rice. We got other foods, water. I'm thankful the liquor van's over. Went and got me a little drink. So that's nice. And then I got my young man's over there installing my new ceiling fan that I got. So this room will be a whole lot cooler once we get the new ceiling fan installed up there. I got the 30-inch turboprop version, so the 52 would have fit, but it just didn't seem like it would look right because of the small room. So I just got the 30-inch turboprop, and it's gonna look so nice. But this is our little house, and of course that's our stairwell upstairs to the 3 bedrooms, and we got a bath upstairs, and we got a bathroom down here. So, and then the yard itself is 160 square meters, so it's plenty of room for us. We like it, and we're about to, once we get the approval, we're gonna have a complete yard, front, side, and the back covered with a roof, and that'll allow me, rain or shine, to go outside, take care of some stuff. It'll help protect my wash machine, now my 2 refrigerators outside, because when I had moved out the apartment near Angeles City, I was able to get the refrigerator and the window unit air con. Planned on going back, but they won't give me a travel authorization to go back. Said it's not important, it's not an emergency, so they won't let me go back and get my wash machine. So hopefully, it's there when I get back. If not, it's not. But I had basically got the apartment, moved in about 40,000 pesos worth of stuff, a couple of small stuff from the house, and then we got locked down, so we were never able to go to the apartment. But with the online school and the uncertainties of if we were to go to the apartment, internet installation being the key, it just makes more sense to stay in our house here in Bulacan, because we already have everything we need. And we got the laptops. I just bought 2 brand new laptops the other day from Robinson Appliances, so the kids can have new laptops. We got Acers for their schoolwork, and they'll just use their HPs for playing on Roblox or watching YouTube or whatever. So they only use the Acer for school related stuff, and that'll prevent any issues. And if they were to go down, I got both their HP backups. I got another HP backup. I got a Dell backup. So we got a lot of laptops just laying around, so we'll be all right. So we'll see how this goes. We'll wait till these young men get this ceiling fan going, and then we'll post another little tidbit here in a second. So now they're taking off the old light and get ready to put the ceiling fan.
Isa nga, yung magdikit. Patay naman ito. China? Hindi, pipis mo na. Ay, pipis mo na. Ano nga ito rin?
Alright. Seems to be working. Alright. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, see, that's where the little fan blades. Yeah. Hey, did you feel it? Oh, yeah. You gonna come visit more often? Yeah, you can leave it on 3 for me. We'll leave it on 3, see how that works out for Mama Girl. She might want to adjust it. Here is the fan at nighttime. Got the light going. It's on level 3 right now. 30-inch blade, turbo fan. So you could feel it. You can feel it. I mean, the air is circulating. I was going to get a 52-inch, but I thought the 30 turbo fan would be better because the 30 and then the 52-inch would have been, you know, pretty close to the walls. So I didn't want to take no chances. But I figured turbo blades, the way they were positioned, I thought this would be the best bet. But I can feel the air flowing. It is definitely an improvement. And over time, we'll see how it works out. And thanks again. Like and subscribe. We are not gonna go without. But yeah, it's nice. Nice and cool. Right, so it's Mama's new solar lights. So we got the string here. Going across. And then we got starting again here. And then she got this one light here. It's gonna side of the house. We're waiting for it to get darker so we can actually see how effective that is. But then we got the lights going all the way around. And we had to double back right here because the thing was longer. But we can actually change this, the mode, to a blinking. So when Christmas comes around, we can have this whole thing blinking, or we can have it solid. So right now we got it on solid, but Christmas time we'll have the blinking. That's gonna look awesome all around the yard with the little solar lights. So it's not costing us anything because it's just solar electric light theme. And right now this light is on purple. She likes the purple, but we can change it to where it changes colors. Green, blue. She wants the solid purple on the side of the house. Purple, red, white, and then back to green. Like the blue, and next is purple. Purplish red. And right now it's just spitting right there, but we'll see. Maybe I'll move it down once it gets really dark. I'm thinking I have to move it down so you can actually see it. But it's all good in the neighborhood. So we got our lights, got our little US flag lights on. They got a little light with a US flag on it. And then we got our little lanterns right here. We gotta reset up everything. And I got my US flag over here. She's been there for a while, so she's all faded out right now. But once we get the roof, we'll refigure everything.